Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That's my ring pour cup. That's my paint that's not pouring out of this big bottle. It's still not pouring out of this big bottle. Wow, that's unexpected. Okay, that's some Meeden paint. I'm going to use some of my favorite colors, assuming after the last painting that they didn't all seal up on me. This is my folk art neon purple that has iridescent pearl fine added to it. This is a little bit of the Anita's white metallic. Here's some of the Decor Art Americana 24 karat gold with orange in it. Here is some of my hot orchid from Color Art Prism Pour. Here's a little bit of orange from Hobby Lobby Master's Touch. There's a little more orange. Actually, this is red from Folk Art. That's color shifting. I'm going to use some of my, it's yellow with a little bit of orange in it, and it's still from Master's Touch. And it's getting plugged up, so I'm hoping I can get another squeeze out of there. Here is some of my Golden Hour from Arteza, which is a pearl. Let's go back again to the neon purple with golden iridescent pearl fine in it. If you guys have questions for me, ask me. If you need to know where the videos are hidden, I have playlists of over 2,000 videos, and you can look for them by topic, genre, and by the 100. I'm going to put a little more Anita's white metallic in there. The white usually sinks away anyway. What do I want? I have, I'm not going to use that yet. Some more of the orange. Some more of the lighter orange, which I really like a lot. Some of that Folk Art red again. Great color combination, and finishing up colors I need to use up. Let's go. A little more of that. And this is some iridescent gold from Golden. So I have over here just primed the edges of my canvas because I wanted the canvas to be quite wet. In order to make a ring pour. Grab my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, available on my Amazon link that is on the link tree, which is the first blue link you see under the video. If you shop my Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. Not that very many people are watching my channel lately. Out of 93,000, I get a couple hundred out of the gate. So if you share my videos, you're being a huge assistance. When you watch my videos longer, you're also a big assistance, or at least I used to think so. I'm a little depressed right now, if you can tell. I'm hoping something will change. I'd like to fix the problem, whatever the problem is. I'm not sure what it is. Alright, I'm going to have to check over my shoulder for a second and find out where my edge catchers are. Because when I pour a ring pour, I am more than willing to stop the paint from escaping. But I also think if I leave myself something I can pour onto, that might be okay too. Throw my spatula in the bucket. I've got one small edge catcher. No, I've got a couple. I've got a couple few. Hang on. There we go. I am now officially prepared. Sorry about that. Well, I think I might do this in sections. That's pretty cool. Makes me want to put some of my Venetian blue right around the inside. I wonder what would happen. Let's find out. Probably nothing. Oh, it's sealed up too. I was just using this. I want you to open for me right now. Oh, that's frustrating. All right, so in the old days, I used to torch. Sometimes it will create patterns. Often it will get rid of bubbles. I do need a dark color. I am going to open that Venetian blue right quick, if I can possibly. And I have a nice sharp stick ready to do so. Because I just think it would be fabulous. I know that hot orchid bleeds into everything. Oh, I love the dendrites. They're going to go. I'm going to try and tip slow. Could definitely use some color to help this color spread. This might be the slowest tipping ever. Not of anybody else's, but definitely mine. I don't like slow tipping. It bothers me. I want to take some white metallic and experiment though. Let's merge it first. Paint will often move paint, but you need to let it become one. Wow, I got nothing to say. I'm so sorry. Let's grab some Meeden black and push it right up against the edge. Tip it back in and then let it flow out. If I keep tipping slow, I may not need an edge catcher after all. Let's make sure I have the right paint. Sometimes I can feel that my head is right under the camera. Moving a ring pour 101. I want some darker purple in there. I might have to put some darker purple in that cup. I might want to see how far I can get things to go too. Just because I can. Good experiments. I think once I get this spread out a little bit further, I will probably want to put some more of that paint on this, maybe even over the top of it. I I don't know if I can keep that Meeden, but I would love to. Not what I would refer to actually as a ring pour. I don't know what you would call this, to tell you the truth. I think it's time to put an edge catcher down. I think I've got 5 minutes left, and it's definitely time to use. Some of the paint in my ring pour cup. And the nice thing about using an edge catcher is most times you can take the paint off it and use it again, which requires a spatula and a less than bumpy edge catcher, which I have one of 2 of. Basically composing with whatever's handy, and that's okay with me. I'm loving that I got to keep some of my Prussian blue. That definitely made me happy. If I do this in pools, they sort of look like beads. I think I want to continue to use that black. And I'm being called to that gold. So I can't seem to do things the same way everybody else does and make it easy on myself or anybody else. The paint will make a seal a lot of times. When you push an edge catcher up against it. Whoops, I lost some paint. Oh well, it's bound to happen sooner or later, right? Not too much though. So I'm thinking about headed to that other side, but I can see that there's something that needs to go away in there. And I'm wishing that I had my tweezers. See if I can see it again. There it is. For me, the problem with letting the paint pour over the edge is then you suddenly have all this paint that wants to be wasted. Or I should say, in my case, not. I like that yellow. I think I want some more. Oh, and it's plugged. It's just one of those days. Somebody's going like, yeah, it's every day with you. There, I got it. Here's something I always wanted to do. I like to go the wrong way and then the right way. I am taking my time. I might not finish this. Go away, bubble. But I'm hoping I can. Might be important to go turn that light on though. Oh, I'm kind of liking the negative space down on this end. I'm loving that ring pour part. Makes me wish I'd done the whole thing that way. Too late now. That's okay. So what else? I'm not sure anything else. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys. I do sell my artwork. And you can contact me through my email address, which is right under Show More. Underneath the link tree, the first blue link under Show More. The first blue link under the video. Looks like I might have a little paint left after this. Not sure what I'm going to do with that. Kind of want to stretch it out though. Just going to tuck some of those drips right up. Come on out. I'm going to use my straw if I can find it. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Make sure you check out the end screen video. The exhibition video is new every month, and we'll show you what you have the availability of winning should you happen to be somebody who wants to help support the production of videos at my studio by contributing through PayPal or Patreon. And you can find those links on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And you'll be automatically entered. You can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video. And this is as done as it's going to get for me, outside of moving that paint down there. Right there. Alright, so I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm sure you've heard everything I've told you before. I got 2 books. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 are on the Amazon link, along with all kinds of other stuff where if you shop there, it's at no extra cost to you and helps me out. I really appreciate it. Torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Can't wait to see what this looks like. You guys, bye for now. Priscilla out.